Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? For the first, I apologize for not being able to attend, and then my currently condition is not healthy. My personal doctor advised me to take a break. And then was given the opportunity to deliver a presentation about Adobe Spark. Okay, I will demonstrate this application using Android. That's according to our need here, because our student use Android than laptop. More use Android than laptop, I mean. Okay, first time, before we start, we have to install Adobe Spark Post application for premium. I provide the link later. I have saved the application in Grab. I will share the link in my drive, and I share for you. And please download from this link. Okay. Okay. We start. The first step, you can open your Adobe Spark application. I use my Android. Okay, this is okay. Okay, next step, if you already have an account in Adobe, please sign in first in this application. Okay, like this. After entering the application, we will be provided with several templates from Spark, like animation, college, seasonal, lifestyle, business, school, travel, food, and craft. Okay, you can choose that template. If the internet connection is not good, the template can appear immediately. You must wipe down first. Okay, wipe down. Okay. And then there are two types of template provided. The first is paid and the second is free. For the paid, there is a yellow sign on the top right. Maybe like this. I click this one. Okay, this is for paid template. And I will choose for the free ones. Okay, free one, I click this one. This is maybe free. Okay, I click. Okay, because I choose the college's times, so image and text were provided that I could select one by one, like this. Okay. Please click remix this template. Wait a minute. Okay, I could select one by one, like this. I select the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this text. Okay. Yeah. Here some simple tool. If you want to change the image or tag, you have to click on the image or tag. Okay, then we can edit image or tag with the existing tool. Maybe I want process my image. Okay, I click one of image, this this one. Okay, select it, and I will try to edit the image, for example, by replacing the image with an existing photo in my gallery. Okay, there is replace. Okay, I will change with my gallery. Maybe this is gallery. I choose my okay. Maybe this one. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I can also edit all the image according maybe this this one or this one. Okay. Maybe I use the simple tool with main order. Maybe adjust. We can rotate like this. Okay, and so scaling, use you like this. Okay, or look. Nah, I will change with the grayscale color. Maybe this one and done. Okay. Then we can also animate this image according to the default animation provided as Spark. Maybe like this. Okay. We choose photo and zoom. Maybe zoom like this. Pan. Gray. Okay, blur. Okay, maybe this is when you choose click done. Okay, this animation can also be applied to text, but unfortunately it cannot be applied to both at once. Then with text and image, it cannot be applied multiple. Okay, next we will edit the text with the tool provided. Click this text. Okay, then I will write it like this. Maybe so click. Okay. Hello, Jenny. Oh. Sorry. Okay. What's my tutorial piece? Okay, we can adjust color like this. Color, maybe. Yes. You see, this is two color. The upper one means the color for the text. Maybe I change this. Okay. Black is color and red is for the bottom one. The color of for the background. Okay. I will choose maybe this. Okay. And I'll try change the tone color on the text. I will make it more dark. Maybe this is. You can click at this one. Yes. Okay, you swipe. Anything like this. Look at the text. Okay, like this. Maybe no. And done. Okay. You also can change the shape of border like this. Maybe I want okay, I choose that one. You can adjusting a line like this, center, left, right. I choose left. Okay, like it. Maybe spacing letter like this, line, okay, or shape, your shape. Okay, and click done. And I will write to next sentence. I will duplicate the existing text with the edit menu. Then I change the text. This is maybe click. Okay, choose edit. There is duplicate. Click this one. Duplicate. Okay. And I will rewrite. Click and maybe like this. What's my tutorial? Okay, you can also change font, maybe this one. Okay, change size maybe. Okay. Line is basic, and maybe position. This is not for position. I will change color, maybe like this. Okay, and just this and down. Okay, I will try animate this text. Animation. You can click animation down. Animation. Okay, you can hold. Okay, text. For example, you can choose that your choice. Okay, there are so many example. Okay, maybe I choose this one, John. Okay, previously we could also change composition of color globally in the color tool. Maybe like this. You can click color. Okay, this is color global. You can choose this. Maybe okay. This look at the color changes like this. You can. However, I choose the original design. It look better. This is original. Cancel. Okay, this is original. I think it look better. Then this animation. Okay, for text. then we can disable by clicking the arrow on top right. This is okay. We can export file into option, namely image and video. Please choose the what you want. I will say to select a video, and the file will be in my gallery. Okay, click view. Yeah, okay. Please look from my gallery. Okay, this one. Like this. Okay, you can also directly share your work on your social media by clicking the share button on the top right. Oh, maybe you can resize before resize. Okay, resize for preview Instagram story, maybe Instagram portrait, landscape, Facebook. You can choose that. Okay, maybe you click this one. I export project as video, maybe, and I sign in WhatsApp. Okay, I choose okay, I think that's enough for my short and simple tutorial. I'm sure you can easily do it, because this is very easy. Use this application for useful thing. Thank you for the time and opportunity given to me. I'll see you in the next opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.